We're the best. We got finance. We got everything. We're the best.
We got cheap cars.
I ain't shouting you crawdaddy if you buy a car this month.
Doesn't that just tire you out? Hi folks, Dan and Tatum Arata from your family-owned Arata's Automax and RVs at Lions End Division. At Arata's, we prefer to satisfy, not irritate you. That's why at Arata's you get our exclusive 30-day money-back guarantee on top of a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty.
Hi, I'm Tatum. Why would you buy anywhere knowing that?
Tatum's right, folks. Why would you buy anywhere else? Knowing that I personally will stand behind every car, truck, SUV, and RV.
And we have a lot of them too, right, Dad?
Yes, we do have a Arata inventory, Tatum. Folks, ask your friends and neighbors, and you'll find out we take care of you before and after the sale with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Why would you go anywhere else?
And remember, we're Arata Fun too.
Your family-owned dealership, Arata's Automax and RVs, Division and Lions.
See dealer website for 30-day money-back details.
Hi, Ren. Tatum's Arata Max on RVs. There's a lot of reasons you should buy from us, right, Dad?
Yes, there are Arata reasons, Tatum.
Like Arata easy financing?
Yep, we can finance anyone.
Arata cars, trucks, and SUVs?
Yes, Tatum, huge selection of Arata cars, trucks, and SUVs.
And our exclusive guarantees?
That's right, like our exclusive 30-day money-back guarantee and our 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. Why would you take a chance and buy anywhere else?
And remember, we're Arata Fun too.